Hi, kindergarten, first grade, and second grade. It's Mr. Sikora again. Welcome to week 7. We're going to be going over locomotor movements. Locomotor movements are movements that take you from one place to another. So you're moving. So things like walking, that's a locomotor movement. Running, jogging, skipping, galloping, side slides. All those different things are locomotor movements. You are moving from one area to the next. So here's our gallop. We're going to have a gallop today. So you're going to be galloping. I will show you what that looks like here in a second. But right now, if you take a look, you can see this guy right here. He is galloping. He keeps his front foot forward. He starts with his feet in an L position. So just like those blue feet down there in the corner. You're going to bring your back foot to your front foot, and then your front foot's going to go forward. So you're always chasing your front foot. Your front foot always stays in front. So if you pick your right foot, you stay with that up in the top. So here we go. Now I will show you what it looks like. So you're going to have your space, and then you're going to have your feet with an L. So my front foot is like this. My back foot is off to the side, and I'm going to push forward just like this. There we go. So now that's our gallop. That's our gallop today. You can practice that on your own if you would like. You can practice that one on your own if you would like. Okay, here's our side slide. Our side slide, your feet are going to be facing forward. Your feet are never going to touch. Your feet are never going to touch, and your back foot, again, chases your front foot. So this time your front foot, you're going to be facing to the side. So here's what that's going to look like if you are doing that. So we have our front foot. We have our, if I wanted to go that way, my front foot is this foot right here, and I'm going to have that right this. I'm going to have my legs nice and bent, and I'm going to push forward. Notice how my feet never touch. My feet never touch. Just like that. Very nice, everybody. Okay. Side slide. You can pause the video and practice this for 30 seconds if you would like. Here's our next one. Skipping. You're going to step hop, step hop, step hop. You're going to hop on one foot, stay on that foot and land, and then you're going to switch feet. So you step hop on one foot, and you're always hopping and landing on the same foot. So here's what that's going to look like. This time your front foot will change. This time your front foot will change. So here's what that looks like. You're going to step. Now I'm going to hop on this leg. I didn't switch legs yet. Then I'm going to step with my left leg, hop on my left leg, step, hop. Here it is a little bit faster, just like this. Okay, so that is our skipping. That is our skipping. Just like that, skipping, skipping, skipping. You can pause and practice that as well. And here's our hop. Here's our hop. Hopping is on one foot. One foot. You can use your other leg to kick and move yourself a little bit faster. Here's what that's going to look like with me. So you're going to have your foot just like this, and you're going to hop just like that. I can show you with my other foot. There we go. So you're hopping on one foot. You're hopping on one foot. And our last one. Our last one is going to be jumping. Jumping's on 2 feet. 2 feet, you're going to have your feet facing forward. You're going to bend your knees. You're going to have your hands go back and then swing forward to jump forward. So it's kind of like a kangaroo. Think of it like a kangaroo, kindergarten, first grade, and second grade. So that's going to look like this. My feet are apart. My hands go back and they go forward just like this. And then we jump. So those are our jumps. Those are our jumps. Very good, everybody. Okay. Now, for our game. Our game today is going to be a locomotor scavenger hunt. you're going to go and search for different things. You're going to search for different things around your house or around your area, wherever you are. And you're going to use one of the locomotor movements to get there. Make sure that you're being respectful of your family, friends, or whoever is in your area. And you're going to be looking for different things, different shapes, different objects, all of that. So here we go. Let's get this started. Locomotor scavenger hunt. Now what I need you to do is I need you to find something that is square, and you're going to march. So we haven't gone over this one, but watch this GIF down here in the middle. Down here on the side here, that's a march. It's just high knees, but it's a nice slow march. Ready? You have 30 seconds. Ready, set, go. Very good. Now we're going to move on to the next one. You can time yourself. Make sure you're timing yourself. Here comes the next one. Here's our rectangle. You're going to look for something that is a rectangle. You're going to look for something that's a rectangle, right? Like this big orange rectangle. And you're going to hop to find it. You're going to hop to find it, hopping on one foot, finding something that is rectangular or a rectangle. Next, you're going to walk and you're going to find something that's a triangle. So you're going to walk and find something that is a triangle. All right, so make sure you're trying to find something that's a triangle. Here's an example of a triangle right here. And here's an example of walking. Remember to walk for this one. Next, you're going to look for something that's a circle. All right, try and find something that's a circle. And to do that, you're going to gallop over to it. You're going to gallop over to it. So remember that front foot always stays in front, and you're going to gallop over. Your next one is you're going to try and find something that is a star. You're going to look for something that's shaped like a star, and you're going to slide over to it. You're going to slide over to it. So slide and try and find one thing that's shaped like a star or that has a star on it. Ooh, here comes the next one. You're going to jump, just like that, kangaroo jump, and try and find something that is an oval. Examples of things that are an oval would be something like a football. A football is oval. It's not a perfect circle. It's not a perfect circle. It looks kind of like a flat circle. All right, so you're going to look for something that is an oval. You have 30 seconds. Remember to record yourself. The next item you're going to look for is something that looks like a diamond. You can have it shaped like a diamond, or it can have a diamond on it. This is your choice, so you get to move however you want to get to it. Try and pick something that we haven't done. And also try not to do running, because running can be a little too loud when you're inside. And we don't want to be unsafe. We want to be safe here, so please try not to run. Try your hardest to use a different movement to get there. And here's a jog. We're going to jog to try and find a sphere. A sphere is a circle, but in 3D. So it's like a basketball or a ball or an apple or things like that. Something that is a sphere. Remember, jogging is a slow run. Notice how I'm not running very fast in this GIF. It's just a slow run. The next thing I want you to do is skip. I want you to skip. So it's a step hop. Skip and find something safe to balance on. Try not to balance on anything that's too tall. And make sure that you have a parent or guardian or somebody there watching you, an adult watching you. So make sure someone is watching you do your balance. And finally, I want you to zigzag around things. So zigzag around your couch or zigzag around something, and then find an item to jump over 3 times. So notice how it's 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. Just like that. Very good. Kindergarten, first grade, and second grade. I hope you have fun with this in our locomotor scavenger hunt.